Hi guys, it's Louise with Gallery One Point Fashion. Hey, shout out to our local artisans. For instance, these earrings that I'm wearing are from Studio Gregory. That's Studio Gregoire, and you can contact her on IG. Now she takes these precious metals and she shapes and pounds them by hand, and then she etches them. I don't know if you can see that, but she etches them on the back with her signature and the date that she's done those. These were done in 2016 when I purchased them from her, and they're one of my favorites. The other artisan that I wanted to highlight today is Queen's Royalties, and this T-shirt is hand painted. Hand painted, this Ankh shirt. Hand painted, guys. I've washed this one several times. It's also 3D. Like you can run your hands. It hasn't lost any of its luster. It's totally amazing. And the fit is wonderful too. And I hope that you guys go on her IG and purchase some of her products as well. That's Queens, spelled with a KWEENS, Royalties. And you can sign up for all of her highlights and updates on her IG. She actually has several fashion shows coming up so that you can view her things on a larger scale. Yeah, sign up for those. And so I hope that you guys are having a great Saturday shopping day, shopping local, shopping artisans, and shopping small to medium-sized businesses. Appreciate you guys. Look forward to seeing you soon.